Olive Oil Spanish Kitchen. Today we are going to make a cheesecake. And I also want to show you how I prepare my own cream cheese. It's really easy to make. The texture is perfect for the cheesecake. Also, it's cheaper than if you buy at the supermarket, and it's really quick to make. So let's get started. To make our cheese, we need 16 natural yogurts and a pinch of salt. We put all the yogurt in a bowl and beat very well. Add the salt and mix. To make our cheese, we need a large bowl, a clean cloth, and a large strainer. Put the cloth on the bowl and add the yogurt. Close the cloth carefully so that the yogurt doesn't come out, and if you have it, you can tie it with an elastic band. Put it on the strainer and let it rest for 24 hours. The next day, we remove it from the cloth to a plate. With this amount of yogurt, you will obtain about 700 grams of cheese. I like to do more just in case. To make our cheesecake, we need 500 grams of our cheese, 4 eggs, 200 milliliters of whipping cream, 200 grams of sugar, and 30 grams of flour. Prepare a baking tin with paper in the bottom and spread the sides with a little olive oil. In a large bowl, we are going to mix the cheese very well until it's creamy. Add the eggs one by one until well integrated. Add the sugar and beat well. Add the cream and beat until integrated. Add the flour and beat just enough to integrate. Pour the mixture in our mold, smooth and tap to remove the air. Bake with the oven preheated to 180 degrees for about 35-40 minutes. While we are going to prepare our chocolate pastry cream, we need 2 egg yolks, 250 milliliters of milk, 30 grams of sugar, 20 grams of flour, and 50 grams of chocolate. Put the milk to heat in a saucepan, and when it starts to boil, remove it. In a bowl, we are going to mix the yolks with the sugar. Add the chocolate and mix very well. Add the flour and mix. We are going to add the milk little by little until everything is integrated. Put the mixture back in the saucepan and heat. We have to remove constantly until the mixture thickens. This will take about 5 minutes. Put the chocolate cream in a bowl and let it cool. Oh, our cheesecake is ready. Look how it shakes. It has to rest overnight in the fridge, and the chocolate cream too. The next day, we unmold our cheesecake and put it on a plate. I'm going to put the pastry cream in a pastry bag to be able to pour it better on the cake. Put the chocolate cream on top of the cheesecake. If you want, you can spread it with a spatula. And we only need to make the caramelized banana. To make the caramelized banana, we need 30 grams of butter, 1 banana, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and a splash of rum. Put the butter in a pan, and when it has melted, add the sliced banana. Leave it for a minute and turn around. Sprinkle with the sugar and leave it for a couple of minutes. This banana is delicious. I recommend you that instead of 1, make 3 because you will fight for it. Add the rum and be very careful because it splashes a lot. We leave 1 more minute and the caramelized banana is ready. Be very careful when you remove it from the pan because it's very soft. As soon as you put it on a plate, it will harden and become crunchy. Place the banana on our cake and it's ready, guys. I know it has been 2 days waiting for it, but I think it was worth it. What do you think? Oh, sorry guys, that this is amazing. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you love Spanish food, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have new recipes every Wednesday. And also if you want, you can follow us in our Instagram account. So we will see you the next Wednesday in the next video. Bye bye!